Hi, I'm Kyle, and in this video you will learn about the cash register. This is James Ritty. He invented the first cash register. This was his first model. This was a model that was granted for a patent. It was his third model. He wanted to make a thing that could keep his profit safe in his wallet. So he made a machine that recorded his profit. Patterson named the business NCR Corp. Later on in time. After that, it became harder to steal money. Here are examples of cash register failures. Even kids can have cash registers. This is a picture of one of the factories that built cash registers in Grand Rapids.